I was very concerned to see the recent Federal Trade Commission study that pointed out the number of mistakes that appear in a number of these credit rating agencies' individual consumer reports. I think you can't turn on the TV anymore without seeing somebody offering you a chance to get your credit score. These credit scores have a real effect on people's lives in terms of their ability to buy a house, buy a car, to get financing for needs in terms of keeping a family on solid ground. What this FTC report shows is that literally 20% of these individual reports have misinformation in it. And many of those misinformations and those mistakes end up causing a person's credit score to be lowered. And then when the individual is able to point that out, they oftentimes, with the credit rating agency, gets a non-response or an inability to get their score corrected. So people are not able to get the kind of loans they need. They're paying higher interest rates than they should, not because of actions they've taken, but because of mistakes made by these credit agencies. So I'm proud to be working with Senator Elizabeth Warren from Massachusetts, where we're contacting both the Federal Trade Commission and the new Consumer Protection Bureau to say, we've got to find an answer to this. We've got to make sure that this critically important information is reported in an accurate way, and if there's a mistake, that a consumer's got an ability to get that mistake rectified so it doesn't have an effect upon their lives. This is an example, again, where without appropriate government oversight, you're going to have families hurt, particularly coming out of the recession. There's an awful lot of families that had challenges, either lost a job, lost a home, that may be in the process of restoring their credit. If they've got, a credit agency's got wrong information, that kind of process of restoring your credit could be destroyed. We're going to get to the bottom of this. We're going to make sure there's appropriate protections in place. Everybody's got to have an accurate track record, and folks have got to keep their credit in good shape. Nothing would be more crushing than a family who's trying to keep their credit in good shape or repair their credit to have bad information and then not be able to get that rectified. So I look forward to answers from both the Consumer Bureau and the FTC, and we're going to get action and we're going to get results.